after the bidding. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, alam nyo na ganito after the bidding nyo nakita to, hindi nyo nakita before the bidding. Nung,
Despite the process, the building permit, Your Honor.
paano nyo na, paano sila na panalo? Tinignan nyo lamang yung amount, what do you call this, the lowest bidder. Kung nakita nyo to, 500 yung loan amount natin for the construction of the City Hall, tapos makikita mo ang amount ng 316. O saan nyo dadalhin yung 200? Yes, City. Kasama ka ba sa bid, sa back? Ikaw chairman, sige, attorney.
Ako po ang chairman. When we bidded, ang ABC po namin is 500,000. 500 million. Nung i-open na namin yung financial envelope, the second envelope, yung PO, yung tinatawag, bill of quantities, nakalagay doon yung total nila. Pero kasi yung mga breakdown yun eh. Ang total po is, the total bid is 499,950,977.80. Ito po yung nakalagay din sa notice of award nila na your bid has been found to be below our ABC po.
So yan na nakita nyo, na sinabit ng, anong pangalan ng contractor?
Silver Dragon. Ito po yung talagang bid niya.
So, yan ang tinopen nyo, yan ang binuksan nyo, yan ang nakita nyo.
Yes po.
Okay.
Yan yung talagang bid niya.
Okay. So ngayon, ito naman ang sinabit ng contractor doon sa OBO. Anong nangyayari dito? Ganun ka simple.
Yes.
So, niloloko kayo ng contractor nyo.
Opo, siguro baka may basis din po.
Kasi nagsabit siya ng bilang material. Bakit mo naman pinirmahan, Architect Coson? Kung nakita mo, yung sinasabi ni Attorney Jarder na almost 499, yung bidded amount, then why did you sign this? Did you not compare this to that one that you hold in the winning bidder? Di ba? Kasi hawak nyo na yan eh. So sinasabi nyo 499, hindi nagmamatch sa hawak nyo rito na sinabit sa iyo for your signature. And at the same time, this was also presented to the OBO. This was presented to you. And
Yes po, Your Honor.
ngayon, hindi pumirma ka, hindi. Nag-complain ka na rito, ganun ba?
Ginaccept ko na muna, pero yung mga plan nila, pinabalik ko sa kanila. At saka nakita ko nga na ang estimate nila is ganyan lang.
Kaya nga, so may problem tayo doon. Why did you sign this, city planning, Architect Guzon, knowingly, planning ka eh. Diba? Makikita mo yung structure eh. Diba? Tama ba to? Tumama ba to doon sa winning price? Diba? Layo eh. Nawawala ng 180 eh. So anong mo doon? Anong wisdom mo? Why did you sign this?
Your Honor, it was, I admit that I mislooked the portion of the computation.
You misquote? The 180.
Na-mislook ko, Your Honor.
Attorney, Architect Guzon, we're talking about 180 million.
Na-mislook ko, Your Honors. Bali, I will have to consult the one who computed that amount in the office. Pero it doesn't prevent us from further requesting the contractor.
Anyway, ako hindi ako magkakamali. Alam ko yung project 500 million, tapos ang pipirmahan ko is 316 million. Mag-iisip na ako, Architect, bakit ganito? Diba? Isipin mo na, bakit 316 million ang pipirmahan ko samantalang ang winning bid price is 500 million, almost 500 million. So hindi ka naman nagduda doon? Hindi mo ba tinanong kay Mayor to? Hindi mo kinausap si Mayor? Mayor, bakit ganito to? Bakit ng mga bill of materials umabot lamang ng almost 307 million? Eh baka maging substandard yung gagawin natin, baka biglang bumaksak yung City Hall. Hindi ka ba nagkonsulta sa Mayor?
Siguro, Your Honor, it was a mistake on my part. not to take a double.
But did you consult the mayor about
No,
this?
because it is the responsibility of the office,
So hindi mo konsulta sa mayor?
professional freelance.
Mayor, meron ka responsibilidad dito. Hindi mo alam na ganito ang sinabit sa planning officer mo? Without your knowledge that there is a missing 180 million for the construction of the 500 million city hall?
Hindi ko yun alam, Your Honor. Ang alam ko lang dito, ang 499 million, Your Honor.
Pakilakas po, Mayor, hindi po namin madinig. Ano po, sir?
Hindi ko yun alam, Your Honor. Ang alam ko lang dito, yung 499 million lang, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, medyo nanlalambot ako eh. Pwede pakisalo na lang ako, Mayor. Chairman, thank you.
Eh, saan sikit?